People of F, this month we celebrate. We celebrate the ones who were brought to us on this month and they lay and they came out of bananas and incubators and things and all those meow and the crying and the mwah mwah of the nippling of the nipple. Let's celebrate them. Hey, people of March and the people who's connected to the star sign, connected to the star sign. The people of March, I sing to you now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now let's do this. Happy. Oh, shut up. Happy. 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 Happy birthday. I love you. Keep raising those vibrations, keep being happy, keep shaking those booties, keep like get somebody to call somebody to play the same what do you call it, same song that your neighbor is playing, that your friend played and you played, and you have the whole neighborhood playing the same song, dancing on each other's yard or each other's apartment, whatever. Just dance, creating a movement of sharing a song. Isn't that nice? Or just